spiky in there. Yep, they're definitely spiky. Look, guys, I have earrings right now. I just take off my clips because they're just right in here. 66 stairs that we went up, I count. Okay. 67, 68, 69, 70. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So now we're here at the Manning Park. And also, here I'll show you the view. But one condition. Have you been to Manning Park? If you do, subscribe, like, and comment down below and share with your friends. Don't forget to link below on the subscribe button. Well, take a look around. It looks like it's like very cool, but if you went up on those stairs, you'll be amazed. There's like you can be up and everything, and there's the toilet. Well, there's the playground, but you cannot see it. But I can. But if you cannot see the playground, I can go a little closer. First, I have to get out of the car. There's Mommy over there, opening up my door. Say hi, Mommy. Hi. If you cannot still see the playground, it's just right behind that tree. I'll show you when we get a little closer. And these are my mom's keys I got. Right now, we're going up the stairs. We're going up the stairs. I cannot believe that we're going up the stairs. So there's the stairs. Like when I take a video over there, you might see that stairs. And it is the stairs. But if you get it correct, if it's the stairs of the Manning Park, you're correct. And there's also a map too. I'll show you. There is right over here is the map, and right over there.
Steps is this?
So right over here is the stairs. We're normally getting down the pole. So Manning Park stairs. These stairs are built for everyone's enjoyment. When using the stairs, please consider the follow. And there's snakes and dogs here. And I don't know if dogs are allowed though, but and they said there's snakes here. That's why I have to be quiet. I think that's scary. Yep. See up. 1, 2, 3. Shh.
Stop counting.
Kaya dapat mag-akyat na tayo dito lagi, no?
Uy, may mga katanda na.
Kaya
Mas maganda. Minsan, mas maganda mag-swim. Yes? So you can count.
Okay. I'll count when we go downstairs.
Yeah, this side lang. This side.
what is it again? Say it again.
We are on top of the whole wide world.
Dito na to yung tapo.
Also,
And I can see some ducks in that lake. the white things, but you cannot see it. And it's too far away. When we go back down, we can show you.
oh, there is some big.
We're on top of the world, everyone. Very high up here. We're up at the top of the world. Not good to get down. So tired. Okay, my ears are still in place, guys. might, if you know what it is, and if you know what the steering is, like a ring, but it's swirling like a candy swirl, and it's like a stairs. That's why it's called the stairs. It's like going around and around. Is the square stairs. It's like a square, see?
Okay,
Does it
did
to
it?
you? Does it look like to you?
Yeah,
It's
it looks like a square.
So that's why it's called the square stairs.
The other one is round, swirly.